Hi guys, today in this video we will talk about Gen internet services, how you can cancel your Gen internet services. Okay, so before going for cancellation you need to keep something in your mind. You need to read their policy. Okay, what are their cancellation policy? First of all, you need to provide at least 30 days calendar notice period. Okay, and if you are in the contract term which is typically 18 months, then you need to pay some kind of termination charges also. Okay, so if you agree these kind of you can like this terms and condition, then you can cancel it. The cancellation process is very easy. There are two methods by which you can cancel your service. The first method is very easy. You need to dial their phone number. The phone number is available on their official website, or you can also search their phone number on internet. Once you dial their phone number, you need to make a request like you would like to cancel your you can like Gen internet, and they will ask you some details regarding your you can like services, and then account regarding your account also. Then after verification they will try to you can say like convince you to keep the service, but you need to be very careful. Don't try to be fall in their trap, and you can make a request like no, you don't need any you can like services and all. Then you can they will try to offer you. If the offer is suitable for you, then you can keep it, and if not, then you can cancel your you can like Gen internet service, and they will process your cancellation. Okay, you need to pay some kind of fees also if you are in the minimum contract period. Okay, so if this method will not work, if phone number is not available, then you need to make a request by using you can like email. In the email you need to mention each and everything regarding your you can like internet subscription or you can like services. You need to provide some details by which they can verify your account, and you need to provide your phone number also by which they can contact you. And once your email is done, you can send the email at their email address, that is like customer service at the rate gen.co.uk. and once they receive your email, they will contact you very soon. And if they are not contacting you, if you have already applied your request like email, then you need to keep in touch with their customer support by dialing their phone number, and once they connected, you can make a request. These are the only options by which you can cancel your Gen internet service. Okay, now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.